One of my all-time favorite destinations. Las Vegas has always been a city I look forward to visiting. To have the opportunity for Brad and I to come out and work with a couple different companies is very humbling and exciting. Our job and the reason why we're out here is to promote different things you can do while you're in Vegas. You know, I started this company just 11 months ago. What we have accomplished in less than a year, it's something that I'm very proud of. The beauty of what we're doing is you never know where we're going to be asked to produce next. Or what? Vegas has just always been very special to me. Las Vegas was a lot of fun and we had a great time, but we accomplished what we set out to do. Our clients are very excited for what's to come. Las Vegas, we'll be back soon.